Okay, students, today we're going to go through the answers for the work from the last 2 days on length, mass, and volume. Right now, you've only done on length, so let's try it. Okay, let's look at practice 1 of the workbook. Now, on page 27, you will see the following questions. I'll just go through the first two questions. The rest you can do yourself. Now, take a look at part A. Again, based on what I explained to you the last time, 6 meters. Okay, so we remember that 1 meter equals to 100 cm. Okay, this is a very important conversion. So 6 meters equals to 600 cm. I usually like to write this at the bottom. So you can see that actually when you pull it out, it becomes 600, and then 70 cm just remains as the same value. Just a reminder that the place values are very important. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, ones place, and tens place. So when you add them together, the places must add together also. Okay? Again, for part B, 5 meters is actually 500 cm. So again, you add the places. Now I'll be very specific. The ones place, you add the ones place together. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Then at the tens place, you add together. Then you get 2. And of course, 5 will just add, because over here, there's only the tens and ones place. So the 5 over here will just be brought down. Okay, let's move on. Now here they want you to change from cm to meters. So 100 cm equals to 1 meter. Okay, so again, 100 cm equals to 1 meter. So you just write it down here. And then 23 cm, you just bring it over here. Okay, I won't go through in much detail because I went through this in the video on Monday, but just take a look and see how actually the 100 cm changes to 1 meter over here. There's no change to the 23 cm. Again over here, 300 cm, this 300 cm becomes 3 meters. And then the 90 cm, you just bring it out here. Okay, so you get 3 meters and 90 cm. Now I'll just show you the answers for all this so you can go through yourself. You may pause the screen to check your answers. Now there are no tricks to all these questions, but I really want to focus on these two right here. Okay, you notice that this is 903 cm. The 9 over here, the 900 cm becomes 9 meters. The 03 over here is actually 3 cm. Do not write 03 cm in the answer. Okay, this is wrong. Because the tens place is empty, we just write the value of the ones place, which is 3. Now over here, this is very important. 7 meters is 700 cm. 8 cm is, well, it's just 8 cm. Okay, so you add 700 cm to 8 cm and you actually get 708 cm. You will notice that the ones place is 8, the hundreds place is 7, but there's nothing in the tens place because over here in the cm, there's nothing in the tens place either. It's just 8 cm. Okay, so be very careful of B and D. So please check your work and do your corrections in green. Okay, let's move on. Okay, practice 2 now is for the kilometers to meters. Okay. Now, 5 km is 5,000 meters. Okay, so you just bring it over here. And then 26 meters is just 26 meters. Now be very careful of the place values again. This over here is the ones place and the tens place. Okay. And over here is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. So you have to add them accordingly. Okay, so I'll show you for the next example. Okay, so this is the ones place. So you add this in the correct place value. Okay, now you notice that for the tens place, is empty, there's nothing. Hundreds place, there's nothing. So that's why here both are 0. And then the thousands place is 8. So over here is 8. Okay, so please check your work very carefully. Okay, this question over here, you are changing from meters to kilometers and meters. Again, you have to be very careful with the place values. This is actually 2000 meters. So this is 2 km. Okay, so you bring out the 2000 meters over here, and then the last three places, you bring it out to 50. Why is it that you don't write 050? Because the hundreds place is empty. There's nothing there. So you do not need to have the 0 before the 5. Okay, but you got to be very careful when you pull out the numbers. Again, over here, 7000 meters equals to 7 km. That's why you pull this value over here. Okay, and then 900 meters, you pull it out, and then you just convert accordingly. Okay, I'll show you the answer for question number 3 on page 33. Now, please take note, okay, I want to just focus on a few examples again. If you look over here, 56 meters, not 056. No, you put 56 only. You don't need the 0. You see? When you change from meters to km and meters, okay, you don't need the 0 before the 5. However, you look at this example over here, 9 km, 210 meters. When you convert it to 9,210 meters, the 0 over here is important, okay, because it denotes the ones place. It needs to be there. Okay, please do your corrections. Thank you.